The year was 2023. Astronomers around the world went about their nightly rituals, telescopes aimed at the cosmos, hungry to capture the faintest glimmer from distant stars and galaxies. It was a routine night, filled with the familiar hum of scientific instruments and the quiet anticipation of new discoveries. Little did they know, the universe held a terrifying surprise. The cosmos was about to put on a show unlike any other. At first, it was a subtle anomaly. A slight shift in Jupiter's position, barely noticeable, easily dismissed as an instrument error. But as the night wore on, the anomaly grew into something far more significant, far more terrifying. The planets, those celestial wanderers, were moving out of their expected orbits, and they were all moving in the same direction. It began slowly, a celestial ballet with a tempo too slow to be immediately noticed. Jupiter edged closer to Saturn, their gravitational pull a silent, invisible dance across the solar system. Then, Mars, the red planet, seemed to speed up in its orbit, aligning itself with the gas giants. The impossible was happening. The planets, those celestial wanderers bound by the laws of physics, were aligning. This was not the relatively common syzygy, a minor alignment of a few planets. This was different. This was every planet in our solar system, from scorching Mercury to icy Neptune, falling into a perfect straight line, all pointing towards a single spot in deep space. The scientific community, initially skeptical, now watched with mounting dread. This defied all known laws of physics. What force could be powerful enough to disrupt the orbits of entire planets, to orchestrate this cosmic ballet? The world's observatories became hubs of frantic activity. Astronomers, their faces illuminated by the cold glow of computer screens, worked tirelessly, crunching numbers, running simulations, desperately seeking a rational explanation. But the calculations only deepened the mystery. There was no known force that could cause this. Theories, wild and varied, were proposed and discarded just as quickly. Was it a rogue black hole, its immense gravity pulling at the planets? Was it some unknown cosmic phenomenon, a force never before witnessed by mankind? Or the most unsettling possibility, was it an act of extraterrestrial intelligence, a cosmic display of power beyond our comprehension? Fear and uncertainty gripped the world as the planets continued their eerie dance, inching closer to perfect alignment. The impossible was now undeniable. The unthinkable was happening. As the alignment progressed, a new phenomenon emerged, further deepening the mystery. Strange signals, originating from the same region of space towards which the planets were aligning, began bombarding Earth. These weren't the random bursts of energy typical of pulsars or quasars. These were patterned, rhythmic, almost like a message. On Earth, people started experiencing strange occurrences. Clocks, once reliable timekeepers, began to slow. Days felt longer, the sun seeming to linger in the sky. Global positioning systems, reliant on precise timings from satellites, malfunctioned, sending ships off course and planes astray. Electromagnetic fields fluctuated wildly, disrupting communications and plunging cities into darkness. The fabric of reality seemed to be unraveling. The scientific community, already teetering on the brink of chaos, now faced a terrifying new reality. The universe, once a source of wonder and inspiration, was now a source of terror. Then, the inevitable. The planets reached perfect alignment, a straight line from the sun to the edge of our solar system, a cosmic thread connecting us to the unknown. And from that unknown, from the very spot in deep space towards which the planets pointed, something emerged. It started as a faint glimmer, a distortion in the fabric of space-time. Then it grew, rapidly expanding into a vast, shadowy mass that blotted out the stars behind it. On Earth, every telescope, every observatory went dark. The shadowy mass had enveloped our planet, plunging us into an impenetrable darkness. The signals from deep space ceased abruptly, replaced by an eerie silence. Humanity, once a species that reached for the stars, was now trapped, imprisoned in a cosmic blackout of our own solar system. The sense of dread was palpable. We were not alone. We were being watched. Then, as abruptly as it began, it ended. The alignment broke. The planets, as if released from some invisible grip, resumed their normal orbits. The shadowy mass, that cosmic observer, began to retreat, shrinking back into the void from which it came. Light returned, bathing the Earth in the familiar glow of the sun and stars. The signals from deep space remained silent. The event left an indelible mark on humanity. We had been given a glimpse behind the curtain of reality, a peek into a realm beyond our understanding, and what we saw was both awe-inspiring and terrifying. It was a stark reminder of our place in the universe, a small, insignificant species on a tiny blue planet, at the mercy of forces we could barely comprehend. The planets had aligned, the universe had spoken, and humanity had listened. We were left with more questions than answers, but one thing was certain: we would never look at the cosmos the same way again. The universe was not a passive observer, it was an active participant in our existence, and it had just sent us a message. What that message meant, we could only guess.